It is so great to finally be back at the Disneyland Resort, our first of our modern room tours where I narrate them, which is the thing people said they wanted, and so we do now. And we are in one of the recently lightly remodeled Disneyland Hotel rooms. This is a premium pool view room. We're on the 10th floor of the Fantasy Tower at the Disneyland Hotel. Let's begin. We're going to start here with the closet. Pop this closet open, see what we got in here. I always like to start with the least interesting parts of the room. Build up. We have an iron. We have some old hangers. Fine, they're just hangers. It doesn't matter if they're marked up. The ironing board is there. We have a luggage rack. We have a safe, laundry bag, extra pillow and blanket. Everything you would expect to be there. I like this wallpaper. Always a fan of nothing simple, but it works. One of the big changes was the carpet, and I have to say I have no problem with the old carpet, but the new carpet really pops. I like this a lot. With the Mickeys, the stars, the fireworks in gold. There is an innate charm to this hotel, and it really shouldn't be charming because we come from Disney World where many of the hotels are very uber themed. But Disneyland Hotel, despite being just a tower, because of its history, its legacy, and little details, just oozes charm, just like Disneyland does. So we have this coffee station here. Go put some bags under there. It's a lot of, there's lots of room out here. We've got these very cool star pattern lamps. Love these. What I like also is the room. You know, it kept a little bit of nostalgia, like these lights with the blue glass. Kind of remind me of late 90s Disney, like old California Grill, and just things they were remodeling or changing in the 90s went this style, and it kept some of that, but it also has some modern elements. It works. The room really works. I like this mirror. We have a nice Keurig machine here, some coffee supplies as well. If you need coffee supplies to work the Keurig. And let's go to the bathroom. One of my favorite bathrooms, any Disney hotel on Earth. I think this is where these rooms really shine. What I like, you know, if you've watched any of these tours, there are two things I hate. I hate when there's not art in the toilet room, and I hate when the rooms are just pure white. And this blue wallpaper, and the black countertop, and the dark wood, all this tiling, just gives it does feel like a deluxe hotel. It feels like a premium experience. It's a nice bathroom. It's a really pleasant bathroom. Here's the shower. We have this nice tile with the hidden Mickey. Lots of Mickeys here, including right there. A lot of the handles have Mickeys. It's done in an elegant, classy way, I think. It works really well. We'll close that door while we're in here. Just like Disneyland Hotel and the Contemporary, they're old buildings, and they have like these weird moments where like there's ceiling tiles, but again, it works. And you know there's a lot of history when you stay here. And I don't know, it's part of the charm that there's weird like sections with ceiling tiles, and I don't know. The vanity is of course adorable because you have these the Mickey hand lamps. There we go. Aren't those great? Those are spectacular. Another kooky, fun-shaped mirror. We have our amenities. We have shampoo and conditioner, and lotion and body wash, a shower cap. We have our facial soap over here. We have a non-illuminated makeup mirror off to the side, a towel there, lots of outlets. Tissues, towels, hair dryer, etc. all down here. Here's a nice look from a little further out at the shower. We didn't really look at the tub, I guess. There's the tub, pretty standard. And a great toilet room because it's got this colored wallpaper. It has this Mad Tea Party art. So it is a pleasant room to do your bit on the acoustics. You couldn't ask for better acoustics than this. Yeah, no, I like when the toilet rooms are not just plain white walls. They have a little life in them. Okay, there's a nice big mirror on the back of this door as well. All right, out to the bedroom we go. It is night. Yeah, I usually like to do these tours during the day. It wasn't possible today. We only had 3 days at Disneyland. And so time was limited. We didn't want to come back midday, but here we are. I think once you see the view out the window, though, I think it's pretty cool. So I'm glad we're doing it at night anyway. So like I said, we have the new carpet. Not a lot else has changed. We have, you're staying at the Disneyland Hotel. This is the art you want. You want Walt walking through his castle, walking through Sleeping Beauty Castle in the park. See if we can get it without the glare. There it is. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Of course, we have the big headboard with Sleeping Beauty Castle. We'll get a better look at that later. We're going to save the big, most of you know what's coming, but we'll save it for the end in case people don't. They kept the weird boxy light, but there's a good reason why they kept that, because it has a button that does something important. We have the little alarm clock with the 2 USB ports there. We have a nice big drawer here. The other thing that happened, similar to Disney World, they got new bed frames. So they lifted the beds off the ground so you can put bags under there if you please. I think this padding is new too. I don't remember the padding for the headboard being like that either. I'm pretty sure that changed. The room phone is over here too. The other big change is the bedding. They got new bedding with this Mickey and Star pattern, which again complements the rug. Get in there. There, you can see it good there. So that changed. All right, here we have the desk, the swirly, there's no shortage of mirrors. No shortage of mirrors in this room. There's a hidden Mickey in the base of the lamp here. There it is. I want to say this changed, but maybe I'm wrong. There seems to be a number of, this has got to be new because I think that's USB-C. Wow. This is our first room with USB-C ports. So we have 2 standard USB, then 2 USB-C. That's wonderful. And 3 standard outlets. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. That is a great, great addition. I think we have a tiny drawer. Here's a flower, just a little swirly element on there. There's a drawer. We have a cute chair. We have another Mickey lamp. Lots of Mickey stuff going on in this room. It's our dresser. Nice, nice big drawers there. I'm gonna assume our fridge, our mini fridge is in here. The Danby, we've seen this in many, many, many Disney hotel rooms across the country. Danby mini fridge. Ice bucket and cups are here. We have a nice big Samsung TV. It looks to be the same like we're getting at all the rooms at Disney World now. There's a chair here in the corner. Another big lamp. I want to say the curtain is new because it matches the new bedding. Oh, I pulled the wrong thing. So it has, it's kind of Wonderful World of Color-ish. I love this. Like the colors here, it's very, this is going to be a weird reference. It's very Tonight Show with Johnny Carson curtain. And so I'm really digging it. But beyond that, it complements the room and all the colors in the room really well. Again, a nice splash of color against the beige. No complaints of white walls at the Disneyland Hotel with the wallpaper and everything else going on. And then that star pattern appears again here. It's a very pretty curtain, but the view, my goodness, the view. Oh, we're gonna have to kill some lights in here. Let's go around and shut all the lights so we can see this great view of the pool we've got. Maybe you'll want to upgrade to that once you see how pretty this view is. I'm gonna have to kill all the lights. We're going around the whole room. Around the whole room, we're gonna shut everything off. One by one. See how many lights you have in this room. You realize it once you do this. Shut that. All right, one more to go. Here we go. Does this one turn on from here? It does. Okay, cool. And ta-da! Look at that view of the pool. And we have a view of the monorail slide with the Disneyland sign. And then what I love, again, that there's something about this hotel. Just having the big red Disneyland Hotel sign, which is so iconic, out the window. You probably want a high floor. If you're going to stay in a tower hotel, you want a high floor. I've stayed in this building. I think this is the Adventure Tower. I've stayed in there before. Someone's actually staying in the Adventure Tower, even though it's not open yet. Probably, I don't know, maybe Disney executives or somebody testing it out or something. I've stayed in that, and I love the view out. We had a view out towards the parks, which is great. But I will tell you, I love this pool view and the view of Sam's with the torches, and it's very pretty. Let me put you guys into a regular point of view other than the fisheye. Maybe that'll show it a little better. There we go. The lighting much better. Obviously, I can't show you as much in a single shot, but look at this. Look at this pool. It's a beautiful view of the pool. Beautiful view of the building next door. It's a great view. It's a great view. You might want to request a high floor if you're staying at Disneyland Hotel. I think so. A lot of charm, a lot of charm. All right, while the lights are out in this room, we're going to do the thing we have to do, which is hit this green button on the light here. Nope, wrong one. We're going to hit the other one. And plays a dream is a wish your heart makes. I'm going to keep backing up. I realized I'm not in the fisheye anymore. But I think I got it all in the shot anyway. And now with the lights on, it still looks great even with the lights on. This is the coolest element of the room. Like this, obviously the Sleeping Beauty Castle headboard is beautiful to begin with. But once you flip the lights, the music plays and the fireworks are there. It is fantastic. It is great. Obviously Disneyland Hotel is expensive, but if you're gonna do a trip to Disneyland, right, especially first trip, this is the way to go. This is when I brought my parents for the first time like 2 years ago. This is what we did, and they still go on and on about that trip, how special it was. So, you know, I always think it's worth it. It's a very special place, and it feels like Disney. It's the right way to do a Disney vacation. So, if you want, you know, cute view, this amazing headboard, these little Mickey details, and really just feel like you are staying and spending the night at Disneyland proper. Disneyland Hotel is the way to go. And I think the little changes they made make the room even better than it was before. We gotta end on the headboard. How else do you end this?